evening. After a turbulent previous week and an anxious trading session, the Indian equity indices ended in the negative terrain, starting off a new week on a sour note. The NSE Nifty extended its losing streak to third straight trading session due to sustained selling by the FIIs as they continue to be risk-averse due to uncertainty over the Eurozone credit crisis and economic slowdown in the US. The BSE Sensex lost 111 points to close at 16,051 and the NSE Nifty lost 32 points to close at 4,835. The overseas investors have been net sellers for the past several days. They have net sold Indian stocks to the tune of approximately 15 billion rupees this month so far. The domestic funds have been unable to counter the selling of FIIs. The DIs have plumbed in approximately 6.5 billion rupees during the month so far. Globally, the US markets managed to stage a recovery from the day's low on Friday, but Asian markets were under pressure today with the Hang Seng down by 1.5% and Nikkei down by approximately 2%. European equity indices were the top performers today, with the key continental indices surging by 1 to 3%. Markets in Europe were boosted by speculation about a possible interest rate cut by the European Central Bank as well as hopes of an effective solution to the debt crisis. After falling below the 4,800 levels in the early trade, the Nifty managed to recover from the day's low, only to close below the neckline support of 4,850. Technically, a hammer is construed as a bullish pattern, but the same would be confirmed if the Nifty opens above 4,880 on Tuesday, else the downtrend could continue, which would extend towards 4,600 in the near term. Hence, one must be careful and guarded in approaching the markets in the near term. Investors are likely to remain jittery until the Eurozone manages to seal an effective and acceptable rescue plan for Greece. It also remains to be seen whether leaders in the US and Europe will set aside political differences to prevent another recession in their backyard. Back home, the UPA too continues to be under pressure owing to the 2G scam. A sliding rupee is adding to the list of macroeconomic challenges. We continue to urge caution given the current backdrop. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.